Interesting day today. We saw the rain, and that rain took us into some uncharted territory. We'll get to that in a minute. We also saw a little tiny bit of snow flying out there. Didn't amount to anything, obviously. And your MaxTrack Doppler now has cleared everything out, so we're looking good there. Over the last 6 hours or so, we watched it all slide on off to these one more time. And again, it was just the very back edge right there, you see, that had that little bit of snow with it. So you may have seen some snowflakes flying, but temperatures have been above freezing, so no worries. You are looking at rainfall amounts a little bit less to the southeast, where it's a tenth to a couple of tenths of an inch, about a third of an inch in Jackson, Mount Sterling, Lexington, as usual, leading the way on rainfall amounts. And that 0.48 was significant. What it does, well, we let the fireworks go with this because we've been questing for 70 inches of rain. We broke the record back at the beginning of the month, so now this is all just gravy, but that's just a nice round number. Ironically enough, your friendly neighborhood weather guy is also 70 inches tall, so we're going to call that one mech's worth of rain. So enjoy. We also have had a record number of rain days this year, 1/100th of an inch or more measurable rain. 161 of those. We beat 1926. In a normal year, we have 132 rain days. So to put it in a different perspective, we basically had an extra month of rain. That's a lot of water. Christmas Eve. We are now technically kind of in Christmas Eve day. We're past the midnight hour. It's a dry and normal day. Looks good for Santa as we get you into tomorrow night. Christmas Day itself, there's a chance that there's a white Christmas possibility there. It's not a big one, but it's there. And after Christmas, Mother Nature's gift to us is a warm-up. So your future track, area of low pressure, a weak one, has now slid over into West Virginia. It's taken the rain and snow along with it. We'll see a clearing line try and come in a little bit later on. I've got a little fog out there to contend with tonight as well. But during your Christmas Eve day, that little bubble high is going to come by, and as it does so, our temperature's about normal. It's not a big, deep polar high. All the cold air is locked up behind that stationary front. So we'll see that modified Pacific air come on in. Then the next wave. This is setting up for Christmas Eve now at midnight. So Santa will be right about there at that point. So we're looking at a little rain trying to develop out here across Missouri. This is the same path that the last wave came on. So we're looking at something similar here, except this one arrives in the morning with maybe just enough cold air that we could see a little bit of a mix, a little rain or a little snow very early on. But as this whole thing begins to wash out, we'll see that all go away. And then what replaces it is a batch of mild air coming in. And that's what will take us through the rest of the week. And this is some mild air coming. Right now, we're all hovering right around freezing, plus or minus about a degree or so. 33 at the Bluegrass Airport, west wind at 7, gives us that nasty wind chill of 27. All righty. Tomorrow's the last day of the Red Kettle campaign for the Salvation Army. We have been thousands of dollars behind where we would expect to be. This is where your dollars can do the most good. So if you see the kettles tomorrow, you're doing that last minute shopping, drop what you can in there. And remember, whatever you drop in that kettle here does stay here. Oh, the rain and snow has ended, so we got that out of the way. The clouds may break toward morning. Overnight lows in the upper 20s. Your day tomorrow, low 40s, partly to mostly sunny. Good for the last minute shopping. Rest of your 8-day, Christmas Day itself, you're looking around 40, and that's with that rain snow possibility. Look at the warm-up this week with highs around 60. More LAX 18 news after this.